How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Catching Cars. My name is Isaiah, and this right here is the key to our test vehicle today. Thanks to Drive, we have this 2021 Volkswagen Arteon R. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out on the Autobahn. We're right on the Autobahn now. We're gonna do a quick acceleration run. Lots of traffic today. It's busy, it's Friday, but we're just gonna go ahead and see what we can do. And of course, I'm gonna come back, as always, and tell you guys what I think of the Arteon R. Before we get going, be sure to subscribe to Catching Cars. Let's go ahead and start this acceleration run. We are on the Autobahn with the Arteon R. We're gonna go ahead and launch it, see what we can do, and then of course I'm gonna come back and tell you guys what I think. It's pretty busy. Let's just go ahead and launch it, see what we can do. We have it in sport mode, have traction control in sport mode or race mode. The car's in race mode as well, I think. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and do launch control. Let's just run now after this truck. Alright, super busy today, and everybody's in the left lane where they're not supposed to be. I'm not supposed to be passing them on the right side, so we're not going to go too crazy here today, even though we could. Very nice, very fast, all-rounder wagon. I already like the regular Arteon shooting brake that we had with the 2-liter diesel, but here with the 2-liter TSI from the Golf R with 320 PS, this thing is really nice. This and the Golf R are really my favorite vehicles from Volkswagen, and if I could only pick one vehicle and my budget was right around 50,000 euros maybe, it would probably be either this or the Golf R. These might be a bit more expensive depending on how they're equipped, but you get one of these right around 50,000 euros as well over here in Germany. And as I said, very, very nice. Perfect daily driver, really. It's fast enough to have some fun, but at the same time, you can still do a long commute. You can set up your dynamic chassis control or whatever. You can set it up to be super comfortable or super sporty. So overall, a very, very nice vehicle. Had a lot of fun with this. You can even drift it a little bit. Basically the same thing as the Golf R, just in a wagon, more practical format. So that's it for this vehicle today. Of course, I'm going to be back with more vehicles. So be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.